फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइज। एंड या गाइज, तो एज यू गाइज कैन सी बाय द टाइटल, टुडे वी आर मेकिंग नो ग्लू नो बोरॉक्स slime recipe with hand soap. So yeah guys, I know most of you guys have already known, but I have a new channel called as Farhana Nuzhat, और वहाँ पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस डाल रही हूँ रिलेटेड टू यूट्यूब एंड ऑल्सो सम वेरी एंटरटेनिंग वीडियोस. So if you want to check out my new channel, then please search Farhana Nuzhat on YouTube, or you guys can just click the first link in the description और आप मेरे चैनल पे सीधे सीधे वहां पे चले जाएंगे एंड चेक आउट द वीडियोस. इफ यू गाइज लाइक दैट, सब्सक्राइब इफ यू गाइज आर इनटू दैट स्टफ, and that channel is going to be super 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 entertaining. So I just wanted to tell you guys, so if you haven't checked out that channel yet, please go and check it out now. And yeah guys, that was all. So as you guys have seen in the thumbnail, today we are making a hand wash slime without borax or glue. So the hand wash that we are using is this Palmolive hand wash, and I have seen this recipe on YouTube so many times that I wanted to try it. So yeah, fantastics, let's try it together and let's see if this recipe works or not. So fantastics, the ingredients that we need for this recipe is this Palmolive natural liquid hand wash. You guys can use any flavor of this thing, you guys can use any scent, it doesn't matter, it just have to be this particular brand of hand wash liquid soap and some sugar. So yeah guys, that's all. And this is basically just a one ingredient slime. So without talking much, let's get started with today's video. So fantastics, we need a bowl like this. You guys can take anything. I am taking this bowl, and then we need to add our liquid hand wash. So we'll open it like this, and then let's take a little bit of this liquid hand wash. So I have taken this much. So in first step, you have to just stir this liquid hand wash around and just mix it all together like this, just combine it like this. And then we need to add sugar. So yeah, let's add a little bit of sugar. So you guys can pretty much take anything. I am taking this white sugar. You guys can take any type of sugar, any type of brown sugar, anything. So now we are going to mix it together. And in that recipe, they told us to mix it super well until you guys, as you guys can see, there are still sugar crystals in the slime. So we have to mix it until the sugar crystals are fully gone. So yeah, it is actually kind of working. Oh my god guys, is this a working slime recipe? Oh my god, I'm not even joking, how I have no words right now. Let's just keep on mixing it. Still have a lot of sugar crystal in it, so I am just going to be mixing it like this, and I am going to make this in real time so that you guys will know that this is a working slime. So yeah, can you guys see that, how jiggly that is? Oh my god, can you guys see that? Wow. Let's just keep on mixing it. Oh my god, you guys, it is actually coming out of the bowl. Why is it so jiggly? Oh my god. I think we need to add just a little bit more sugar. And let's mix this. It is actually pulling away, you guys. Oh my god. As you guys can see, it is almost ready. So fantastic. When it pulls like this is the correct time to store it in a container and keep it in a fridge for like 1 day. So I'm going to keep this in fridge for 1 day and let's see the results in just 5 seconds. So I am going to save it in this container. It is like super jiggly. Oh my god. So it has a lot of bubbles right now, but don't worry guys, it will be like super clear. So we'll see how this turned out in just a second. So fantastics, I am back with the results. Like, are we succeeded or this is also a failed recipe? Guess you guys. I will give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, drum rolls. So our slime is somewhat successful. It's not like clear, but it is like a clear slime. It has the texture of a clear slime, and it is kind of like, you guys can see that, right? It is kind of behaving like a clear slime, but it is what it is. Like, this is slime, you guys. It is sticking a little bit, but you know, this kind of quality from a no glue slime from a hand wash, like, this is like such an upgrade, and you guys can see that, right? This is like amazing. It's still not very good slime, but it is slime. Like, this is actually a slime, and like, this is nice. This is not sticking too much to my hands, just a little bit, but we can, you know, compromise. But because this doesn't have any glue or any activator, this is like a slime on itself, and you guys can see just how amazing it is. It is kind of jiggly, and that is a plus. Like, I love jiggly slimes, so like, this is amazing, and I really like this slime like a lot. So yeah, fantastics, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked this short kind of video type. I am trying not to make like a 70 or 25 minutes long video, so I thought I would do short 10 minutes video like this. So let me know if you guys like this or not, and if you want me to make more no glue no borax slimes, then make sure to like this video. So the like goal of this video is 800 likes. So guys, please like this video if you really love this slime, and please let me know if you guys tried making this slime and if this have worked for you as well. It kind of did for me. It's not perfect, but it is a slime, and that is what matters. So yeah, I love this recipe so much. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.